Have you ever wanted to learn Python but didn't know where to start? Are you looking for a step by step course that takes you from a beginner to an expert absolutely for free? Python is the most in demand programming language today. From artificial intelligence to web development, from data science to automation, Python is everywhere. This course is designed for absolute beginners and intermediate learners, covering everything from basics to advanced topics like machine learning and web development. Dear learners, what you will learn? Python basics and programming fundamentals, object oriented programming, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, web scraping, and automation. Flask and Django for web development, hands on projects and real world applications. And the best part, it's completely free for you. Just subscribe Learning Digitally and start learning today. So subscribe now to Learning Digitally by pressing red button given below. Like and share this teaser and press the bell icon button that you may get notifications of my upcoming videos. First lesson drops soon, so don't miss it.